What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Braptor. Today we're going to be installing some new small mods. So super quick video. We just got some new cheap mods. Picked these up off of Extreme Terrain. These are just going to be some gloss black covers right there that go on that C-pillar. So we're just going to add those on. Second thing we have here is a little tray insert. Also got these on Extreme Terrain. Just a little organizer here for the armrest. And then last but not least, the final item that we got on clearance on Extreme Terrain is going to be, let's see, can I get these out in one hand? Nope. Stand by. We're back. Is going to be smoked covers for the side mirror lights right there, just to give it that sleek, dark appearance. So let's get all these things installed. So first one we're going to do is install these kind of pillar covers here. So you can see it's just like this textured plastic, which doesn't actually match the top. So it just looks kind of dingy there. So I was able to find these. Let's see if I can get the right side. I was able to find these gloss black covers for just a few bucks. So I figured that they might look nice, and if we don't like them, pull them off. So you can see here, that's how they look. I think it looks better, right? Why not? If we don't like it, we'll yank them off. There's a before. There's an after. So all we're going to do is we're going to use our alcohol prep pad. We're just going to wipe this down. You're going to peel off the backing here, stick them on, and we'll go on to the next side. All right, so this is why I make these videos. So these covers here, they do not fit. So I'll have to call them and try to return them. Probably a reason why they were on clearance or getting rid of them. And you can see here, I don't think that that's how it's supposed to look. This side, you know, fits okay. And then it's just not bent at all. And it looks ridiculous. So yeah, can't use these, so do not buy these from Extreme Terrain. They are junk, and now we got to return them. So let's get the tray installed. So here we got our new organizer. Hopefully this thing fits better than the last. Got an organizer here and a couple little trays. So put this sucker in there. See the shape of this thing. This one goes here. Then we open up this bad boy. Let's see. Bam! She fits. Alrighty. So here we got this now. Obviously this is how it was prior. It just goes all the way down there, and you just had this little piece here. So you just couldn't keep much in it. So now we got this whole tray in here. Then you can lift it up, it fits in the groove nice. You have the rest of your stuff all the way down into the abyss. You have this stuff here. So now we got easy pass. Bam. Much better. There is a paint imperfection right there. So crappy quality on those, but didn't pay much. Tray is good. And obviously these things, don't get them. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other Braptor content.